The dream of owning a home can quickly turn into a financial burden when unexpected repairs pop up. A leaking roof, a broken furnace, or foundation cracks can cost thousands of dollars you just don't have. So I wanted to find out if homeowners facing these struggles could actually get free money for home repairs. I decided to investigate, testing the world of free home repair grants in 2026 myself, to separate fact from fiction. Most people I talk to assume grants like this are either outright scams or so complicated that they're impossible for a regular person to get. There's a lot of skepticism and, frankly, a lot of misinformation online that feeds this belief. But the truth is, there are real, legitimate government and local programs designed to help cover these expensive home repairs. The key isn't just knowing they exist, it's knowing exactly where to look and how to approach them, because the right information is often buried. So I started testing what actually exists online: HUD programs, USDA repair assistance, and local housing grants, to see what's real, what's outdated, and what actually leads to funding. Right away, I noticed something important. Most information is scattered, unclear, or buried in long government pages. And many homeowners give up here because it feels overwhelming or confusing to navigate. But one pattern kept showing up. The real applications don't usually start on national websites. They start locally, through your city or county housing authority. Programs like HUD Home Repair Assistance, USDA Rural Repair Loans and Grants, and weatherization programs do exist, but eligibility depends heavily on income, location, and property condition. After sifting through all the noise, a clear, three-step process emerged. This is what actually works, and it's surprisingly simple. First, you need to pinpoint your specific city or county housing authority. This is your true starting point, not a generic national website. Second, carefully review their eligibility requirements before you even think about filling out an application. This step alone saves you from wasted effort. And third, only apply to programs confirmed to be active in your specific area. Applying blindly often leads to denial or delays. The biggest mistake I saw is people applying directly to random websites without checking local requirements first. That alone can disqualify you or waste months of time. When you make the crucial switch to starting local instead of getting lost on national websites, the entire process transforms. Suddenly, everything becomes clearer. The applications you find are designed for your specific area, making them simpler to understand. The guidance you receive from local officials is direct and personalized, not generic. This targeted approach means your chances of qualifying improve significantly, because you're no longer just a number in a massive federal database. The overwhelming feeling of being lost is replaced by a sense of control and direction. If you start local and apply correctly, you may find that the real, tangible assistance you need for your home is finally within reach.